need to figure out what we're gonna make these switches do. Airbags. Yeah. Because you got front and back and side to side.
Just put a corner on each one.
Yeah. Back, that corner, this corner, front corner.
Can't do that.
Why not?
How you gonna make it go up?
You can take the grease gun too.
I hooked up the grounds over here. We're good.
Both?
Yeah, I'm about to cut some wires over here, so you're gonna need to tell me no.
Why are you
The center, the stuff that goes to the center is obsolete. Now that we know we don't need that blue wire. The blade, this one.
Chance! Quit eating that.
Don't cut it. Wrap it up.
The only thing that's left are these wires.
Don't cut it. Wrap it up. Zip tie it up in place.
There's nowhere to put it over here. We got too much wires.
You know what? I'm not gonna tell you yes. I refuse to allow
Okay,
you to
well,
cut
you come
wires.
figure this out and you do it then.
Because then, no, I don't want to cut it. I don't want to be blamed when. I'm not gonna say go ahead and cut it, but I'm gonna say do what you want.
You should just disconnect the harness to roll it up.
I can't because we need there's one wire in this whole harness that we need.
What do we need it for?
It's the one that goes to the seat for the heater.
Oh.
It's that one blue wire. Everything else, because remember, the only reason we were taking this blade connector is because we thought, because that I'm pretty sure is all for speakers.
White man. We thought bullshit.
I see what you did there, and I like it. Yeah, so we got a bunch missing in the middle, but whatever.
It's all right. The seats were holding up. Let's go.
Sure. Believe.
No.
The who's you? There's none in the middle.
Felt like. Oh, yeah, that ain't going nowhere. God, you gonna want to paint that, ain't you?
At some point,
You're
yeah.
never gonna paint that.
You're in your glass.
Just touch.
Perfect.
What's that just fell out of there?
I think shook my shoe.
That's a lot of shit on your feet, bro.
We're light.
Yeah.
Now,
You're not doing anything.
now it's not. Thanks, John.
Yeah.
Slow it down.
Yeah.
John,
Nice and easy. Nice and easy, people.
Just let it move. Playing. Where's the camera? Sitting on the toolbox. It's watching you go out.
Is it watching us?
Yeah.
I think it's watching the ground.
It's not watching the ground.
Cranberry messed up the
The same
angle.
angle. Hey, wait a minute. I can't get my truck out.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go all the way out once we're done.
Can't leave.
Did you get the windows working on this side?
I don't know.
Okay, just wondering.
We don't even know if it works. We gotta take the door apart. Put power to it, see if the motor actually works.
This mirror and that mirror on that truck should be the same mirror, right? No?
Those aren't powered. Or heater.
Yeah, but it should.
These have the motors in them.
Yeah, I'm not taking the whole thing. I'm talking. We just need the mirror.
It may be. It's the same size. Does it look the same?
Like,
No, it's not.
no.
Because the mirror has this arch on it.
Oh.
The other
Okay.
ones are straight round.
Yo, this looks so good. I mean, so it looks like a dirty ass Cadillac interior. Don't get me wrong. It's not that's not lost on me. I'm just talking about the fact it's a Cadillac interior.
I give you that.
Like, it just needs a few things. We just need to figure out what we're doing for the roof here. I want to get the other one,
Just swap them.
and we'll cut this out and whatever.
We're gonna take it out.
Yeah.
Shit, I don't even want to take it out and just wrap it.
Yeah, well, when we do, I'm not going to do it now.
Yeah.
I'm going to take the one out of that and we'll put it in here when we finally get to it. Yeah, we'll do a new headliner in it. And I'm going to keep the brown here, but black. Everything's tan. And the seats, I've looked into these. They're not that expensive for a new to recover them. So you get a set of black covers. We paint everything that's the beige black.
Keep the wood grain.
I think we turn the wood grain into carbon fiber. We get a sheet of carbon fiber
The
wrap, and we just wrap it.
Yeah, they look good.
You know what I mean? Just the trim panels, even like these right here. Wrap these in the carbon fiber.
Yeah, they look good. Let me get the.
Oh, I don't suppose you put the air duct on under here, did you? Yep, no, that didn't get done. This one.
Sir.
Right. It's on. We're good. I mean, it should be working.
Yeah, it went straight power.
I'm bummed that doesn't work. What is that doing now?
What's that?
Oh, yeah, it does. No up and down. No up and down over here either. I wonder. That might be bad. Yeah, both of them have side to side, but no up and down.
Switch.
I don't know that the heat's on.
We did check that, right? Before we took it apart.
Yeah, it worked. Shit, I mean, we got oil pressure sitting at 50 psi. We got no volts, no temps.
Just like we like it. But might need battery power. Battery might
No,
be
I
shot.
think I'm getting warm.
You are?
I don't know. I can't. I think so. I just pulled my shirt up to where it's like skin on it, and it's not cold leather. I mean, it's not on fire either, but
I think you're right.
I mean, let's face it, it's 2002.
Yeah.
And,
It is warming up.
yeah, I think it is.
I don't know. It might just be my skin warming up the leather. We'll find out. We sit here long enough.
Feels when I hand my hand. Oh yeah, no, it's on.
Is it?
Yeah. It's not blowing me away. Hi.
Yeah, it is on.
I mean, I could drive this for a while, and realistically, if I was actually driving, I move forward a little bit more and kick back. And I'm by no means in a position that I'm that really uncomfortable. And I'm big. I mean, look at you. You got room for days. You could come forward and lean back hard.
I hate fucking second curve.
Yeah, but come forward more. All right. I mean, that's probably good. Now lean back. Right. Well, you do now. There you go. That's pretty reclined.
I guess I can go to sleep.
I know you can go to sleep there. Can you go to sleep anyways?
Hey.
No. Oh. Yeah, I don't think it knows that the...
Doors closed.
Oh yeah, that's probably our problem, is the battery.
Yeah.
We need to figure out what we're going to make these switches do.
Airbag.
Airbags. Yeah. because you got front and back and side to side.
Put a corner on each one.
Yeah, back that corner, this corner, front corner.
Can't do that.
Why not?
They gonna make it go up.
Um,
Only way you can do is
think about that.
front and back. Try both front together on one switch. The other one make it go up. So the one on the left,
Or this
both
ties,
front,
or it ties them all together, so you can just drop the whole truck, raise the whole truck, and if you want to get funky, you can get something somewhere else.
no, just do front and rear. So your left one, the left switch raises both front airbags.
Oh, okay. And this one lowers
Yeah, so
both front airbags. That doesn't.
No. So both front airbags on the left switch.
Both rears on the.
On the rear
Okay.
switch. So when you go down,
So I have front and back. What about my side to side? How am I 3-wheel?
well, you're not gonna 3-wheel this.
You said I wouldn't get this far. Look at you now. You're sitting in the world's first Cadillac Escalade Ramptruck.
I'm pretty sure it's Escalade tow trucks.
Find me one.
Oh, I've seen it already.
Not with the Cadillac interior.
Oh, you little face.
Oh, you have overconfidence.
Cadillac.
Oh, that's what I want to see. Aw. Seek isn't working.
It's Cadillac tow truck.
Let me see the inside of it.
No, I can't see the inside of this shit. Guarantee it's probably inside of that.
Yeah, I bet it's freaking a truck interior. That's what I'm saying. So I want to gut the headliner, the rear view, all of that crap. Do you want the back window?
Yeah, I'll take the back window.
So you can snag the back window, and then I got to get all the parts that are good out of it. There are some bunch of parts that are stuffed in the back.
Yeah, the back window has become an issue when I drive.
And then I need to get the door skin, these off. And then, yeah, and then I'm gonna build this project.
You said door skins?
The molding here,
They call it clad.
whatever. That's gonna come off because that's what I'm gonna use to do the cab corner.
Yeah.
So it matches up. So yeah, that's the end of the Ramptruck for now. I'll probably do one more video on the stripping down the last of this Cadillac. But yeah, the Ramptruck we're pretty much done with. We'll see exactly what all you got to see there. It was a lot of stuff that got done off camera. And when I do finish that steering gearbox, I'll put a video up for that as well. But from there, we're gonna get a few more things buttoned up and we'll be a step closer to maybe moving here in the next couple of months. But all right, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll check you guys out on the next one.